What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an install of some Raptor lights on the Nissan. So a company was nice enough to send me these lights, kind of like marker lights, amber marker lights that are pretty popular in the Raptor. And I took the liberty and got some of them installed already, but I want to show you how one of them looks and the process of that. So far, they're all going in pretty easy. I believe you just, stick it in through there. They give you connectors. You just pop them right in, and you also get there's 2 fuses. So if you want these lights to run on your daytime running lights or your headlights, or you want them to come on with other lights, they give you fuses that you can connect into your fuse box, so they all turn on at the same time. I'm gonna hook mine up to the Blazer, the remote control that I have that turns on the fog lights and ditch lights and all that stuff. So let's get it wired up. For those of you who don't know, the Blazer's mounted right here. It's just double-sided tape, but it's super sturdy. I've had it on here for, I don't know, months now, and it's been some pretty off-road areas, and it's pretty solid. But you turn, you got the lights are wired into this one, you turn them on. So keep this inside the cab and it's good to go. So anyway, I'm gonna wire them up and I'm gonna run the negative and the positive right to here. Like I said, if you don't want to do that, there are options they give you in the kit that you could run it to your fuse box to come on with your daytime running lights, your headlights, whatever you want. So, or your fog lights. All I'm doing is taking the light and threading the cord into the front of the grill and hooking it on. So pretty much something like this. I'll just thread it through the front. There you go. They do all come with letters on them. So that one's C, D, B, and A. A wasn't really cut the same, like it doesn't fit flush. So I'm not sure if they was just printed off and got kind of messed up. You can even see the light itself is sitting differently. Like these, straight, straight. This one's also the same as A, kind of cocked out to the side a little bit. And if you go back over here to A, so this side's much bigger. I don't know. So there isn't really any instructions that come with it. There's a little card that tells you not very much. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? But here we are, thinking that they kind of don't fit right. But I'm assuming this is how it's done. Another thing I noticed too is also there's like little grooves in here. I'm assuming it's supposed to line up with these grooves. So that's how I assumed they go in this way. So now all you gotta do is take the connectors on the back of the lights, wire them right to this little easy twist connectors, and then run this to the battery or wherever you want it wired to. So what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna get something to take these clips out so you can lift this up enough to get your hand down in there. If you wanna remove it entirely, let's see if I can get that for you. There is a little bolt right here, and then there's a couple little, just like lever clips. I don't know if you can even see it. Right there and there. Anyway, you can take that out if you want. I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna pull this up so I can get back there and pull the wire from the light. All right, we got it all set up. So all you do is pop these lights in through the front. You see if you can see it down here. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, but the wires are right through here. I'm gonna get a zip tie all this up, clean it up. But I ran it there, up right there. I'll zip tie all this up, but it comes up here into the Blazer box. So let's fire it up. Got on the 3.5. Perfect. So I can turn that on with it. Let's see. And then we can do the other ones. There you go. Pretty simple. If you guys want some of these lights, I'll leave a link in the description. You can order some. I think they're like 50, 60 bucks. I don't know. There's a link down there. Check them out. Install is really easy. Everything was really nice. Like I said, it does come with 2 of the fuses if you want to wire them to your running lights or fog lights or whatever you want. This is just a way that I went because I wanted it on the remote. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this one. If you haven't already, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. If you're here watching 3rd gen content, that means you have a 3rd gen. Nobody else on YouTube is making 3rd gen content. Just follow, subscribe. It's that easy. All right, we'll see you later.